Hello everybody, today I present to you, sorry it's my breakfast, I present to you a new timepiece. I'm sponsored by a new brand, James Muriel. I just received this box. Up. Oh, very cool. Like we can see, James Muriel. This brand contact me. There is many time now, and crowdfunding or Kickstarter campaign like this, and I just received this. James Muriel, like you can see. Up. Thank you for purchasing this timepiece. So cool. Up. For clean the jar. Was the paper? Perhaps. Yep. Certificate of authenticity. So cool. Repouch on leather. So cool. And oh, what is it? It's a NATO strap. So cool. Just unbox. No show the watch before. With right. James and Muriel. So cool. And certainly the timepiece. Up. Whoa, very cool. Yep. Wow. And on the side, yep. Two. Oh, sorry. Up. It's a true unboxing. Oh, sorry. My breakfast. Like we can see, it's a so cool timepiece made in Seattle, in United States. The brand is so cool. Leather Italian, so cool. The saphir is a glass saphir. The timepiece is so small, very cool. Like we can see, Italian leather, James and Muriel. Look at the detail. Many screws. Yep. Swiss movement, it's a Ronda movement. It's a TimeKeeper model. And so cool, they sent to me the white one with red number on the circle, with blue on and orange for pop. So cool. I think many cool wrist shot in my car. And of course with this blue, looks so cool too. Hope you enjoyed so much. It's a new brand. Go look, James Muriel. It's a very cool brand. And me, breakfast now. Have a good day, my follower.